set.
Very big weather day across the area. Did you say the second or the first warning that we've had?
First tornado warning we had all season. Second
okay.
tornado watch, and we had, what, 13, I think, severe thunderstorm warnings. It was crazy.
It was a long line.
It was, yeah. They started out like these singular cells, we call them supercells, and that's what we were most concerned about because they usually can turn tornadic rather quickly. We were watching one in Jackson County and then eventually pushed into
very quick. We
Adams.
watched it, Bill, for a couple hours.
Yeah, you were in here. We were doing the Facebook chat, and then all of a sudden the one in Marathon County just decided to start rotating, so it was kind of one of those afternoons. We still have one more severe thunderstorm warning in effect. That's down into Waupaca County. We'll shift down there. There is going to be some very heavy downpours with these. I would be surprised. Rain rates might be 1/2 inch to 1 inch per hour. And again, it's far south or southeastern portions of Waupaca and now back into portions of Outagamie County. That's again into the Green Bay market. There's the cell that was out towards Jackson County that was rotating for at least an hour or two. No confirmed reports of tornadoes, but there have been some unconfirmed reports of some funnel clouds. Right along the Highway 8 corridor, earlier we had a number of severe thunderstorm warnings for Oneida County and Forest County. These are warning free, but still some heavy rain and likely some lightning as well. We'll go down to the south. This was the storm that spawned off that tornado warning for eastern Marathon County. Still pretty intense in Shawano County, near Shawano and Clintonville and northern portions of Waupaca County. But again, all these storms racing off to the east. And the big thing we were looking for today was round number 1, how quickly that was going to move out. Again, we had a lot of rainfall last night, and then we had to get some instability, more or less sunshine, to build back in. Once that happened, all these showers and thunderstorms started to blossom out into the western half of the state, and now they're raging eastward and should be out of our area, I think, by 8 o'clock tonight. Nice look at sky cam from the 400 block, just looking at clouds. That warm front, I mean, look it. We're looking at 90s and even 100s in Grand Island, Nebraska, 60s and 70s north of the warm front. So again, you had the ingredients you needed for strong to severe storms today. 60s up in the Northwoods, but still some 80s, at least around 80. From Wausau through Adams, and along that warm front a couple of hours ago, dew points were around 70. That is just tropical. You're feeling more like Florida than you are Wisconsin. So here was the setup. We had a surface low and an area of low pressure. That brought that shearing environment that you needed, and we needed that other key ingredient, that key element. That was the instability. We had that, so you couple both of those together along that warm front. That's what we had, those showers and thunderstorms blossoming all afternoon. 7 o'clock tonight through early this evening. Again, everything starts to wind down. Midnight tonight, there could be a couple of scattered showers, but again, I think the activity is pretty much done in terms of severe thunderstorms by 8, 9 o'clock tonight. There is noon tomorrow. We start to see decreasing clouds. You look out to the west. We're looking good and feeling good. By the time we get to Friday, mostly sunny skies, beautiful conditions as those temperatures ramp back up closer to the mid and upper 80s. So here's our storm timeline. Still some chances, isolated chances of a few severe thunderstorms now marching into our eastern counties. Storms taper off, just looking at scattered showers, mostly cloudy skies for tonight. Decreasing clouds for your Thursday. It's a little bit cooler because of that northwest wind in the wake of that front. Temperatures back in the low to mid 70s. And then Friday for the weekend, we're turning hot and sunny. And we're going to have some more thunderstorms likely. Maybe a few strong to severe by Sunday evening and Sunday night along a trailing cold front. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. We're back in the 70s again tomorrow, and then the 80s jump back in, mid-80s, maybe even upper 80s for Saturday and Sunday. Evening storms possible. We'll be tracking those for you as well. Mid and upper 70s for early next week. Again, some more storms in the forecast Monday. For the latest weather, get to our website. Again, download that WSAW app. It's absolutely free. Easy to use. You can use that interactive radar, WSAW.com.
You need a vacation after this week.
Think so?
My goodness. I'll put in a good word.
An active couple weeks. Actually.
It has. Last Friday and then a couple of Sundays ago. I mean, yeah, we can take a break now.
Yes.
Yeah, thanks a lot. And you're talking